Let's make sure that the order actually shows up in WordPress. So go to the top left and click on the WordPress logo. Hover over WooCommerce and go into orders. And here we have our test order. Let's click into the order that was just placed. And here we can see all of the information about it. So if this were a real order, you can change the status here. So whenever you're working on the order, it's going to be in processing. And then whenever you're done, you can change it to completed. However, for any reason, if you need to refund an order, you can change the status from processing to refunded. You also have other options like canceled, on hold, pending payment. You basically have a status for any scenario. So to issue a refund, click on refunded, then go down and find the refund button. Go ahead and click on this here. Then click on refund via credit cards Stripe. Click on OK. And that's going to refund the order back to the customer using their original payment method. So that's how you manage your order status and refund orders in WooCommerce as well, which can be very helpful to know whenever you start getting lots and lots of orders coming in. It's very easy to organize everything here.